High-end homes have a lot of unique and desirable features, but this particular feature, everyone should try to avoid it like the plague. Let's go and have a look. So we've just done an air tightness test on this apartment and would expect it to be towards the non-mandatory requirement of the current BCA or building code here in Australia of 10 metre cube per hour per metre square, which is roughly equivalent to 10 air changes an hour at 50 pascals with 32 kilometre winds basically. So we're getting a whopping 45 ACH at 50 pascals or 32 kilometre winds. Let's go and have a look why this is actually happening. So opposed to your conventional split systems, these air conditioners are designed to be concealed. In this particular circumstance, they've got grills connected to the living space of the home, but the air conditioners are not in an airtight environment. So the actual aircon outlets are shy of the actual grills. They're not airtight and connected to the grills themselves. So any air leakage in this roof cavity, which is connected to a metal deck roof and is more than likely going to be ventilated quite well. So effectively what we have here are some air conditioners that are conditioning the roof space and not the living space. So some of the other drawbacks that you'll have from having this problem in your home. So sound can be a massive issue, especially on windy days or if you've got nightclubs and bars close by. Outdoor air quality will quickly enter into your home. It doesn't really matter whether it's smoke, hay fever, or if you're an asthma sufferer. Energy consumption for maintaining a conditioned space. Some of the costs for that can go through the roof because you're just conditioning the roof area in some circumstances, not your conditioned space. So when it comes to these air conditioners that are concealed and inside a void, it's important, absolutely important, that an air barrier is encompassing them that is also thermally broken as well. To try and retrofit an air barrier in this particular situation is going to be a very costly exercise, and potentially the best results won't be able to be understood. So if you've got any of these type of air conditioners in your home, potentially a blower door test could show significant issues that could be impacting the building performance of your home.